Hello guys, this is Tally FS Trade. Look at the analysis I made on this pair, volatility 75 index, and look at what this market did here. So this is very confusing for beginner traders, and look at what this market is doing. Before I analyze any trade, the first thing I have to look at for my 2 recent swing low and my 2 recent swing high. That is to show that we are in a trade continuation. In this case, look at what this market is doing. When we broke this structure, we were in a trend continuation, and the market come and broke this structure again, indicating a structure shift. Then the market went back and broke the structure, which beginner traders will mark as ranging market. Look at this, but look at what's happening here. When we broke this structure, we're in an up trade. Here automatically become our struggle low, our protected low. But look at what this market did. You know that we need a 2 higher highs to confirm a trade. So with a single higher high, you cannot indicate that the market is really in an up trade or in a down trade. When this market broke this structure and changed this character, we needed another break of structure to confirm if the down trade is valid or not, because it might be a liquidity sweep or a liquidity grab. Look at this. Here was a valid liquidity grab with retail traders induced into this market right here, getting trapped into this market right here. Because those traders that bought breakout, they will buy here. Those that bought aggressively when this market mitigates this protected low, they will enter the market right here. It's showing a lot of liquidity. And look at this. Look at this. This is a 4 hours candle, and no interference from here to here till the market broke structure, which shows that a lot of buy orders were dumped after this trader have been trapped right here, which shows that here was a liquidity grab and here was a trend continuation, and automatically this zone becomes my protected low at my sweep zone. This zone becomes my protected zone at my sweep zone. And when we were coming back, we needed a liquidity for the trade to continue. Look at the market giving us equal high liquidity right here, which is very valid. So this trade was an A+ setup. Look at it, A+. Now let's go to the 15 minutes time frame to show you that. Look at it. After the market mitigates this zone, and the market was buying from my optimal zone, optimal demand zone. Look at the shift, my confirmation. Look at the other block.